All right, we're back with Q the Chaotic in his ND3 Miata. We've got the sway bars. We just filmed this on the street. Go check out that video. We'll put all the info in the description. But we are at Gingerman Raceway today, and we're gonna see how this feels on track with some of the mods you've done recently. You definitely have like the best smelling Miata I've reviewed.
Yeah.
You've always got good fresh scents in here.
Yes, sir. Probably all the food that I spilled while I was driving here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, sorry. Messing up your seating position.
I was looking, oh man, damn, that I was good. From empty to about half tank.
Yeah, good. All right, so I just drove an NC Miata. It was really fun. Handling was dialed in, but man, you're flat out everywhere in that thing. It's not a lot of power.
Yep.
ND3 really brings up the power level. And I'm sure with the sway bars on here, it makes a big difference.
You're gonna get scared with him driving?
I'm wearing my diaper, so I'm all good.
Hey, what color is this?
Zircon sand metallic.
Have fun, man.
All right, thanks. It's a cool color. I think it looked good as like an off-road build.
Oh yeah.
Lifted, big all-terrain tires.
Right. Got the ride height.
Yeah. Oh, different clutch. Stock brakes?
Yep.
All right. Oh yeah, sway bars feel much better. Yeah, there's grip. It's super stable now. The steering wheel you have on here, it feels so good in hand.
Definitely need some better brakes.
Yeah. Today you'll be alright though.
You have to push it down pretty hard on the first session, first turn, sessions of the road.
Yep. Grips and rips.
Oh, yeah. It even feels better from this side.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, the ND3, man, it's just so stable too. Good balance with power here. Like all the other Miatas feel underpowered. This feels about right.
Not a slow car anymore.
No, it's not. Nice soft rev limiter too. Yes, sir. Trail braked a little late. getting a little tired. We'll do a cool down. Feels great though, man. Feels really good. Yes, sir.
Definitely smell them.
Yeah. Consistent, really planted. You gonna do anything else to this?
Nope, that's it.
I think it's about right. Maybe just some more aggressive pads, but run through these first and you'll be golden, you know?
Oh yeah.
Even these tires grip.
Oh yeah.
What do you have on here?
I think the Yoko air bands.
Oh yeah, cool.
They don't have that many options in this size.
Yeah.
They're like 235, something 18.
Okay.
Modified you can get on Miata without rubbing.
Yeah, Yokohama's always had a lot of good tire size options for like weird fitments and stuff. Sweet, man. Thanks. Car feels great.
Oh yeah.
Feels really good.
Good on gas. I could have taken all your own engine.
Oh, you got plenty of gas left. Only burned like an eighth of a tank.
All right, good. Definitely need some better brakes, pads. Not happy with those after today's session.
Yeah.
But a normal drive is fine.
Oh, for daily driving, absolutely. I think like a Ferodo DS2500 would be like a nice dual duty pad. Occasional track day. They're kind of pricey, but they're worth it because you can do everything with them and they're not super noisy.
Okay, this is fine. I like it like
Dude,
this.
honestly, the suspension feels great. You could do like a track alignment.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And that's it. Yeah, because coilovers, like you got the ride quality, you got the ground clearance for like winter driving. You got where are you parked?
Right here.
Right here. Okay. And then you've got it's so well controlled. Like the suspension feels great.
So I recently drove an NC2 or NC3 Miata, Patrick's Miata. I like that a lot.
Yeah, they're fun.
I kind of like them more than these.
Yeah, that's like truly slow car fast.
Yeah.
Like you would learn a lot with one of those. It's just driver inputs and timing, and like you got to work to go fast in those.
Yeah.
And
so
it's
raw
good
too.
It is. Yep.
Raw Miatas.
I like the steering in these ND3s though. This is like, it's just it feels like a really complete package. Everything's just so well balanced.
Oh yeah.
Cool,
We're gonna see you in a Miata
someday. Maybe when the NE comes out, I'll get one of those.
Oh yeah.
I have to explore all the other options and then eventually come back to Miata.
Yep. Great place to be.
It is.
My unbiased opinion.
All right. Well, thanks to Q for letting us take it out, man. Appreciate it.
Thanks for showing me the ropes again.
Yes, sir. Go check them out.
2/10 of the way.
That's right. Q the Chaotic. And if you guys haven't seen already our S2000 Miata comparison, these cars were really close.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like, to compare, drive back to back on the street. There are things that I liked about the Miata more, things I liked about the S2000 more. Go check that out if you haven't already. And of course, Q the Chaotic on YouTube. You've seen it before. You know the deal. See you guys in the next one.
We got our own collaboration players. We got like
that's right,
close to 10 now.
I know, we have a lot. That's great. Okay, these are 17s. They look like 18s because they're the Genesis wheel. They like fill out the wheel well so nicely.